Here are 5 reasons why you're not closing sales. Yes, I know you have a business and you have a product, but you're not closing sales. Why? I need to share these 5 things with you because that is what helped me to understand that, oh, if you don't know this, you will not sell. Number one thing that will make you not to be closing sales even when your product is fine is simply because you do not know the problem that your product is solving. That is number one. So you need to identify the problem your product is solving. Are you solving the problem of health, wealth, or relationship? What problem do you solve immediately people buy your product? By the time you take care of that and you answer it honestly and you know it by yourself, that product will begin to sell. Number 2 reasons why you're not closing sales is people. Your product is fine, but your product is not for everybody. So you need to find where your people are and push your product to them. You cannot be selling a product that is worth $1 million and you take it to secondary school children who you know are not working and they cannot afford what you're selling. So they are people, but they cannot afford it. So you need to understand that money is not created. Money is collected from one person to the other. And if that be the case, then you need to look for people who need the product you're selling. It's not everybody that is interested in your product. So if your product is not selling right now, ask yourself, which people am I presenting this product to? Do you understand that? Yes. And lastly, before we move, you need to also understand that if people are that important, then you need to treat people well, because money are with people. Money is not in the hands of monkeys and money is not on top of trees. Money are with people. So treat people well if you want to have their money. And also find your people, because as fine as your product is, it's not everybody that is interested in getting it. Number 3, place. You have a fine product, but guess what? You put it in a place where it is not supposed to be. Your product is not supposed to be everywhere. Your product is supposed to be for a particular place. You cannot be selling a bottle of water and you take it to a street where people who are living there are not interested in buying bottle of water. Do you understand? If you carry a bottle of water to a place where they are accustomed to drinking sachet water, you will be frustrated. Do you understand that? You will be so frustrated. So you need to understand that if you're not closing sales, the number one problem is problem. You have not identified the problem that you are solving with your product, and you have not identified the people that need that product. And number 3 is that you've not found the right place to take your product to, and people will buy. I gave an instance recently. I have a product. My product is currently selling for an amount of money that people in primary school cannot afford. And I'm talking about the paid copywriter framework. It is as little as 10,000 naira right now instead of 50,000 naira. If you also want to learn copywriting and learn all the skills I have that have helped this many of my students to make money online, you should also click the link in my bio or the link in the description of this video if you're on YouTube, and pay for that copywriting training to learn how this many of my students were able to start making money on the internet for themselves. If I carry that product that is selling currently for 50,000 naira to students, even right now that it is currently on discount of 10,000 naira, students in secondary school may not be able to afford it. Children in primary school will not be able to afford it because they are not working and they are not making money. But if I take it to university students, do you think they will pay for it? Yes. So take note of the places you take your product to. It also contributes to why you can sell it or why you cannot sell it. Do you understand that? Number 4, price. Price is very big factor of your product. Your product is fine, but how much are you selling it? Your product is fine, but how much is it worth? Do you know how to set price? Do you know the value of your product? If you walk into a restaurant today, or let's say if you come to Abuja and you go to Transcorp Hilton, a bottle of water we buy for 200 naira in the street is 10 times the money when you go into Transcorp. That is a place and that is their price. So it is attached with the value. You need to also understand the value of your product. If you know it, you will not be underselling it or overpricing it. That's a very beautiful knowledge to have. And if you're finding it hard to evaluate your product, you should also get the paid copywriter framework. We'll also help you to understand that in one of our training sections. And number 5, lastly, is promotion. See, if your product is not selling, you are not promoting it. I used to give example countless times that if you have a Ferrari one of the fastest car in the world to actually take you to places, and that Ferrari needs a fuel of 100 naira, as little as $1 is, it needs a fuel of $1 to move, and you do not have that $1 fuel in it, it will not move. So if your product needs to get to 20,000 people for you to make the kind of money you want, if you don't promote it, you cannot get to make sales of that product. If you have a product that cures cancer, people will keep dying of cancer if you don't promote it, if you don't talk about it. So you need to be promoting your product. And you need to raise your hand right now, place your hand on your chest and say, say it, I, Kingsley Nemeka, I will be promoting my product every day, every time, because when I promote my product, I will stand a chance of closing more sales. Have you said that? Well done. Go ahead and share your thoughts with me right in the comment section of this video, and also feel free to ask your questions, and also tell me if you learned something in this video, because I know you did. And subscribe if you have not subscribed, because more videos on how to close more sales are coming and you wouldn't want to miss it. Salaam alaikum.